back to my channel. My name is Kuma if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, what it is, girl, what's up? It's been a while since I said that, right? Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Serowe today, and look at my face. No, this way. Look at my face. Like, what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on, babe? Yeah, my face is breaking out, but anyway. Today it's Sunday. It's a little bit after church, and we're going to me and my friend Wendy, we're going to some garden hale. Yeah, so we're gonna go into spa, and I'm going to suggest that we do a color-coded snack thing going on. She likes yellow, apparently I like pink, so I'm gonna try to look for pink snacks, and then she's gonna look for yellow snacks, and then we're gonna go to the picnic place and chill, you know the vibes. So and then we're gonna go to spa, get some snacks, maybe get pizza, and then we go. And then I'm gonna go back to palapye around 6-ish, I think. I don't know, girl. Or 5, but it's already 3, it's already 2, so maybe 6, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna do our snack exchange. Go get your snacks. We're doing our snack exchange. or whatever it's called. So please let us be prepared for chaos. Yeah. What are we starting with? We'll start with chips. Since it's on the statement. This is pink, right?
No, it's not pink.
What is it?
Pink there.
This is pink. This is like a...
That's brown.
No. This is brown.
That's a shade of brown.
It's a shade of pink.
No.
Hey, na may pinky. And then we're gonna do what? Drinks. We got Oshi water. Lemon. Who drinks lemon flavored tea, guys? Let us all judge this hand. And then sweets. I got the sweets. Good.
Oh, so I get.
Yeah.
Okay.
On my Oshi water. Yes. It's in splash. How does it need subtitles? Oh. That's cute. You saw my outfit, guys. But I don't think to give you a hand. Oh, it has quieted it down. My shorts, they're from Mr. Price. Mr. Price. And then t-shirt from the Fix. Shoes, Woolworths. What else? My swimsuit is from Cotton and it's somewhere in there. Guys, this is the situation. And there's so many people. And one thing, if you know about me, where there are a lot of people, you can never locate Kumo. So, swimming at La Pala today. So, yeah. Are you straight or are you crooked? Anyway, swimming failed. But we're the party. So now I just sitting here eating our snacks and chatting our life away and taking pictures. So I'll continue this vlog. I'll add something else to the vlog because clearly this failed. This place is called Durantaland. They have horseback riding. I've never seen the horses. They have swings. They have a pool. They have, what else do they have? They have quad bikes. So no quad bikes high. And then there's an orange thing that side. I don't know if I showed it to you guys. So yeah, it's a bit windy. So, and I also don't like my swimsuit, and yeah. That's wild. That's a very wild concept. Huh? Anything? You didn't know. I went home. Hey. Yes. I've seen it.
One eternity later.
I don't know if you're shop there, but it's Monday now. I'm going to work, and this is a pimple patch, by the way. The pimples were pimpling. Like look at this. This is another pimple page because I get a lot of so yes, I'm going to work now, and I wanted to vlog my weekend, but it wasn't very much eventful because I didn't get much done. Can I add to the hands? By the way, I'm driving and I don't have a license because I forgot my wallet. I've been meaning for I forgot my wallet go Serowe. So yeah, that's my life. But it's okay. I vlogged I attempted to vlog my day yesterday and I don't think I have enough footage. And I wanna be a consistent girly. Like I wanna post every Thursday. Like because I've come across a post be consistent with the little that you have, you know, with you. Like he was talking about a craft. If you hear that sound, is my microwave. Yeah. So I don't know if I should vlog today as well, but I forgot my wallet, so I need to cash out because I need to go to the shops and buy groceries. I forgot my grocery list. Me, I'm not going back, girl. I'm not going back. Save my life. And I'm gonna have to make a dental appointment. To go to Square Mart and refill the water. Oh my god! And I'm so defeated. I'm gonna hang like a boy because I'm gonna be late. You know what, guys? Bye. I think we should not let small inconveniences ruin our day. I'll just buy another 5-liter meat. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Yeah, I'm gonna buy water and then Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's how many days later? I don't even know, child. I think it's Wednesday today. And I wanted to make a cute Sinyana video, you know, for Ilya weekend, but that didn't happen because people showed up at the venue place. And also testing Thursday, so clearly I won't include that because I want to try to upload every week. But I'll give you guys a clicks haul because one thing about me is I'll give you guys a clicks haul. Yes. The first thing that I got from Clicks, I didn't buy this. The first thing that I got from Clicks is this Nivea micellar water skin glow. We also the Instagram girlies using this, so yeah, I got it. It was 104, I think. And then I got and then such a random purchase. I got a foundation. We're gonna learn how to do makeup in this channel. I can 151, 152. Damn, Masadara shade I don't know. I say I'm boost. It was 152. And then I got this. Guys, hanga store. What I can say store. I have a hand mixer. Tell me why my hand mixer this morning stopped working. I was like, you know what, Satan, today I'm not gonna play your tricks. This hand mixer won't just stop working randomly. Ebe ke decide gore nna ke a o bula. Nna ke rena ke mechanic. Ebe ke decide gore nna ke a o bula. Tell me why o bon choke. Ebile o bo emisa go bereka gotlhelelelelele. So yeah, I got a hand mixer from Clicks. Ne ke o bone mo pampiring ya bone gore it's 183 pula. It's on sale for 183 pula. So I got it. And then lastly, I got a foot spa. Such a random purchase, right? I know. I got a foot spa because, to be honest, I don't have a reason why I got a foot spa. A se gore ke batla go le charge e be ke nna ke le tlhapisa maoto. Because one thing about me, I'm always thinking of how to make money. Yeah. I might even open a spa because why did I buy this thing? So yeah. So I would test it. So yeah, I want to end this video here so that I can edit it and upload it on Thursday. Anyway, it has massaging notes. I can't speak today. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was chaotic. I'm sorry. I'll try to do better next time. And I'm trying to upload weekly. So I wanna edit the video. Am I gonna be happy with it, with the content? If not, if I'm happy, but like one on your screens. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe, and become a part of the family. And don't forget to be nice to somebody because you do not know what they're going through. And you are loved. You are more than enough. You are more than enough. Endure that season. If you are in a bad season, endure through. You will persevere. When you walk through the waters, they will not overcome you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.